How to restore camera settings to default. Hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. If you do something wrong with your camera settings and trying to make it to good or pro, but instead of pro you wrong it, or like you now facing problems. So how you guys can fix that? For that, simply hold on camera app. Now you guys will see I type option. In some devices you guys will see two dots, so simply click here. Once you click here, you guys will see manage notification, permission, storage usage. So simply click on storage usage. Now you guys will see clear cache, clear data. So simply click on clear data. Now click on delete. Once you clear your camera data, your camera will be restored to defaults. That's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.